elevator. Ayan. O, tinawin na tayo. Hindi tayo sa rooftop ng terraces. Dito na tayo. We're back again. Cinema 4. Tayo, ready. Sa loob. Sir.
May the divine blessings be with us during this special event and all the time. I will carry the light like a candle that shines in the night. I'll be a beacon that's burning bright. I will carry the
in order to make ang bagong Pilipinas maganda. Tonight, we are celebrating the birth of the fulfillment of. So, ladies and gentlemen, we celebrate tonight the college management exercises of the Golden Link College in Camarin, Caloocan City, Philippines. Thank you very much. 7 graduates in Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing and Management. 18 graduates in Bachelor of Science in Psychology. 2 graduates in Bachelor of Science in Accounting Information System. 6 graduates in Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. All of who have satisfactorily completed in the requirements prescribed by the Commission on Higher Education.
By virtue of the power vested in me by the Board of Trustees of Golden Lake College and by the Commission on Higher Education, I am very, very happy to confirm that you have completed all the requirements for your degree and you are now all graduates of your respective degrees. Congratulations to all.
Thank you very much. Congratulations, our dear graduates. You can now take your seat. We will now proceed to the awarding of diplomas. For the awarding of diplomas, may I request our President, Mr. Vicente R. Hauchin Jr., our Vice President for Administration, Ms. Reka L. Nahar, and our College Dean, Dr. Romeo Torres, to be assisted by our Registrar, Ms. Regeline Labao, to come on stage. May we also request Attorney Chali to be on stage. Hannah Colleen U. Reyes. Order. Once your name is called, please come on the stage with your parents or guardians. Let us start with our honorable mentions. With a degree of Bachelor of Science in Psychology, Danica Jane M. Albea. Please come on stage with your parents, please. Our honorable mentions with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, Seth Leon M. Alberto. Please come with your parents. With a degree of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics, Eliza May Cunanan. With a degree of Bachelor of Science in Accounting Information System, Jasmine Ann R. De La Vega. with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management, Cyrene J. G. Lesarondo. With a degree of Bachelor of Science in Psychology, Mayan Joyce L. Loñosa. Again, in alphabetical order, with a degree of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics, our cum laude, Ed Lois Christian A. Ambay. With a degree of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English, our cum laude, John Errol S. Cabanes. With a degree of Bachelor of Science in Psychology, our cum laude, Lovely Rose Pante. Thank you very much. Once again, congratulations to all of you graduates.
Children. It is not only about teaching the lessons, but making a meaningful impact on students' lives. My college journey would be successful without those people behind my life.
Busy after school and listening to my struggles. Thank you to my papa and mama who supported me financially and morally despite the physical distance. Thank you for doing your best to help me. Lastly, to my Tita Mary, who is always there, not just for me, but for my brothers as well. Thank you so much. Papa, salamat sa walang sawang pagbangon ng 2:00 ng madaling araw para makabiyahe ka ng jeep. Salamat sa pagtitiis sa kasikatan ng araw o kalakasan man ng ulan. Sa bawat biyahe mo para may ibang gastos tayo.
Sorrow. This moment signifies the culmination of years of hard work, dedication, and unwavering support from all of you. I am deeply thankful and wish to express my gratitude to my professors. Your guidance, wisdom, and faith in me have shaped the person I am today. Your mentorship, inside and outside the classroom, has been invaluable. Especially to Sir JP. Sobrang thank you po. Kasi isa ka sa nag-motivate sa akin para magpatuloy ako sa pag-aaral. To my family, to my mom, thank you, Mom. Even na single mom ka, kahit wala na si Papa, nandyan ka pa rin po para itaguyod kami. To my Papa in heaven, Papa, SK Kagawad, and degree holder na po yung anak mo. To my boyfriend. Your love and support have been my source of strength and motivation. Thank you sa pagtulong sa akin gumawa ng visual and instructional materials ko every time na may demo ko. Isa ka sa naging saksi sa paghihirap ko sa pag-aaral. To my friends, thank you for your companionship, laughter, and steadfast support. You have been my confidence and partners in adventure. Pressures, burnouts, anxiety, and heartbreak. I almost lost my scholarship. That time, I couldn't see the light in my path. It feels like you're screaming for help but no one can hear you. I remember I told Teacher John about it. I said that I wanted to stop studying because I was mentally unstable. You know what he said? Tin, masyado ka nang malayo, parang window. And those words made me realize a lot. His words were so powerful. Thank you, Teacher John. To my alma mater, Golden Link College, thank you for letting us experience a quality education, for helping us to achieve our dreams without having difficulties, where we would get a large amount of money to pay for our tuition fee, and for encouraging us to be the best that we can be. To my blockmates, thank you for making my college life meaningful and fruitful. Especially to my BEd batchmates.
To one of my strong support system, thank you. To my strong support system, my parents. Gusto ko po kayong i-congratulate. Dahil nakapagtapos kayo ng isa pang anak. Mapa, graduate na po ako. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang pagmamahal, gabay at suporta. Kayo ang aking inspirasyon at lakas sa bawat araw.
Sorry, Yusik Abad. When I entered Golden Link College, I had low self-esteem. But when you look at me now, I can stand in front of you without hesitation and with full of self-confidence. I would like to thank all of my teachers from my senior high school journey and to all of my professors in my college journey. Thank you, Sir Halchin, Ma'am Reka, Teacher Aiden, Teacher Janderson, Teacher Armelin, and Miss Rich, Teacher Mary Grace, Teacher Nico, and Dr. Torres. Thank you for molding me to become who I am. To my co-majors in BEd, thank you for the fruitful years that we've been through. Special thanks to Joy, Kelly, Jasmine, Jansen, Jovelyn, Rhea, and Miss Jubilee V. Taginon, my BFF. And also thank you to Unipass TS.
The school has been more than just classes, homework, and teaching demonstrations. It's been a place where I've grown, faced challenges, and learned important life lessons. To my BEd family, especially Jenna, Julian, Alvera, and Christine, I know that. And to my king, RJ, thank you, and to my siblings, maraming salamat po. My expectations revolve around finding a fulfilling life throughout my journey.
How far we've come and to look forward with excitement to the incredible journey ahead. Thank you.
Graduation Day. As we gather here surrounded by the warmth of accomplishment and the promise of new beginnings, it is essential to take a moment to reflect and express our deepest gratitude. First and foremost, maraming salamat po sa Golden Link College. Your unwavering commitment to excellence has shaped us into the resilient, compassionate, and knowledgeable individuals we are today. To may Papa, maraming salamat po. May isang anak na naman po kayong nakapagtapos dahil sa sipag at pagtsatsaga mo kahit na sa sobrang hirap ang pinagdaanan natin sa buhay. You stand strong para sa pamilya natin. To my mama, maraming salamat po sa walang sawang suporta. Lalo na sa mga panahon na nasasaktan at may pinagdadaanan ako. Ikaw ang nandyan para gumabay at naging sandalan ko sa mga iyak at bawat ulo ng luha ko. Kayo ang naging saksi nito kahit na malayo tayo sa isa't isa. Pinaramdam mo sa akin na lagi kang nasa tabi ko. To my Tito Beth and Tito Wato, maraming salamat po. Kahit na wala kayo dito, maraming salamat sa mga naging tulong nyo at sa pagiging pangalawa nyong magulang sa amin. Habang buhay ko pong babaunin lahat ng mga naituro mo at pagmamahal nyo sa amin. To my one call away in life, thank you. Your love, encouragement, and sacrifices have been the guiding light on my journey. And
some scenes are heartbreaking, some are hilarious, and some are just plain unforgettable. And this moment right now is the ending part, the end game. Today marks the end of one of the most incredible films that has played out over the years of my life. Let me take this final moment to acknowledge all the incredible people who made this movie-like experience possible. I want to express my gratitude to the school administration for being the producer of my college experience. And to my amazing parents, the best executive producers of my life, Cinderella and Ricardo La Peña. Sa mama ko, despite of being far away for so many years, working abroad, alam kong madami kang na-miss out na recognition, completion, and graduation ka ng high school. But now you're here. Umuwi ka to attend my graduation. Thank you, Mama. Sa papa ko, I don't say this much, pero na-appreciate ko yung pag-guide mo sa aming mga magkakapatid kahit absent si Mama. To my siblings, to my nanay Vivian, thank you for everything and for your unwavering support. I love you with all my heart.
And potential. We reflect on the journey that has brought us to this moment. We have faced challenges, overcome obstacles, and grew in a ways we never imagined. Thank you for taking care of me. And lastly, thank you for being my support system in this journey.
Graduation more sentimental could have been, but I know she was watching me wherever she is. Now,
each of us has faced challenges, overcome endeavors, and grown in ways we never thought possible. We have built friendships, discovered our passions, and developed our skills.
Sino nga po?
I'll forever be grateful to this institution. It is an honor to stand here today in front of everyone with the help of Golden Link College. With that being said, I will be forever proud to say that I am a link in the golden chain of love, and I promise to keep the chain strong.
Golden Link College gave me an opportunity to become where I am today. I strive hard to accomplish my goal to graduate, to become where And yes, here I am now. We are all here now. No words how can I express my gratitude to Golden Link College, especially Mr. John Dorson Herbalario and Miss Abister. Sir Vic Houchin.
Hi everyone, I am Danica Jane Alvea, and I'm proud to say, finally, I am living my dreams. So I would like to acknowledge the following people.
My beloved parents, I know the joy you feel for this milestone. Ma, Pa, thank you for your unwavering love. Thank you for being the biggest cheerleader and for believing in me, even when I sometimes hesitate to continue. Thank you for your sacrifices, love, and encouragement, opportunities for growth. I am so grateful for the wonderful life experiences, values, and compassions that changed me. As I move on the next phase of our lives, whatever I do, I will be the best that I can be.
Esteemed faculty, proud parents, and my fellow graduates. We finally made it. As we stand here today, I can help but reflect on our journey. In our first and second years, when online classes become our reality, poor internet connections, distractions, broken classrooms, yes, we've all been there.
In Caloocan and Manila. But that is the best decision I've ever made. For what reason? Because I am now in Golden Lake College. At first, it was the free tuition and allowance that I like about Golden Lake College. But above all, it was the endless opportunities and optimism. Now I have my own rhythm, and instead of just going with it, and continue your life as college. My college days brought a lot of hurdles, personally and emotionally. I can say that I have a lot of things conquered in my college journey. But Golden Lake College made it easy for me. They did the best way to support a student life who face a lot of challenges.
To be ready for it. Life has a habit of stealing everything from your hands and to make you feel and think that you failed and are getting far from where and who you want to be. But it's acceptable not to have all the answers now. Amidst the confusion, I realized something profound. Clarity about who I aspire to transcend any momentary doubts about myself. I genuinely want to give recognition to the people who helped me make it to this point.
For understanding me and defending me, and the wisdom you taught me. And to my nanay na madiskarte, thank you. Thank you for unconditional love. Thank you for making your daughter stronger as you allow me to be independent through this time. And as I step out, I assure that the learning and knowledge I get from Golden Lake College School will be forever treasured. Again, I am Ann Johnson Emineses. Thank you.
Thank you very much. At this time, we go down to the last program or group of students to speak for us this afternoon. We have our BSIT, Information Technology.
Express my profound gratitude for the opportunity to pursue my education at GLC. While it distinguishes itself from other institutions, it is precisely this distinction that has facilitated our personal and academic growth, allowing us to become the best versions of ourselves. I would thank my brother, Papa and Kuya, for giving their best to support me. My grandmother and my grandfather, Nanay and Papa Lolo, for raising us with a kind heart, emotional support, and for being there for me whether or not in times of need. Without the support of these people, I wouldn't have achieved all the things that I have. And of course, I would like to thank especially myself. We made it here. To my batchmates, as one journey ends and another begins, remember success comes from believing in yourself.
Pag-unawa at pag-manage lahat ng time ko, dahil sa iyo nandito ako, ikaw ang naging dahilan kung bakit nandito ako. Maraming salamat.
Discovery of my potentials and the development of my capabilities by living a life of selfless service to humanity and by contributing to the development of a world that is peaceful.
Sa mga message ninyo, no? Napakaganda na emotionally, no? Pero tuwang-tuwa ko na nakita ko kayo na narito sa pagtitipong ito na kung na graduates, no?
Kababa na ako, sir. Pinalutan ko yung boses para mas ma-pick up yung momentum. Volunteer lang.
Thank you. And we say, can we request now the teachers to please come with us? Volunteers, please add more chairs. Then, the graduates, wala pa kayong picture, no? Kayo lang. Okay, sige. Heart. Alright, this is the end of our commencement exercises. Thank you very much. Ayan, picture na po tayo. Again, congratulations, dear graduates.
Nandito na yung service natin. Oop! Yeah. Wala sumama ngayon ha. Ang luwag yung jeep eh oh. Hindi tatama. Ayan. Pull out na tayo. Guys. Get atras! Layo. Bagay mas madali yan, mataas eh. Kevin. Hop! Tama. Angat lang konti. Doon sa kabila, ba't kasi binaba?